Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you on how to replace the motherboard on the Samsung Galaxy A11. I'm going to be using it from another device, so I'm going to replace it from the one with the cracked screen and put it on the second device. So I will show you how to take apart the phone, then replace it. First step, we want to remove the back cover off. We're going to use this tool right here to kind of pop it off in between the screen and the line between the back cover and the front screen. So you want to be gentle so you won't scratch or break anything, and you want to go around, kind of pop it off slowly. You want to take out the SIM tray, which I forgot to do that at the beginning. So make sure you remove that, then you can go ahead and continue taking out the back cover. When the back cover is removed, you want to push on the fingerprint reader so it would pop off. It's kind of like just kind of glued in on the back cover. It's easy to come off. You just want to push that gently, then you can go ahead and remove the back cover. Our next step is to remove the screwdrivers. The top side of the phone is for the motherboard, those screws all around. The bottom is for the charging port and the speaker. Gently, we want to remove this metal piece, and you want to be careful so it won't cut any ribbon cables for the battery or for the fingerprint reader. So you want to take it out gently, and once you do that, you can go ahead and remove the ribbon cables that are connected to the motherboard. It's better if you use a plastic piece like the one I'm doing, not metal, because you don't want to fry anything on the motherboard because it's still connected to the battery. Then we're going to remove the motherboard. You want to do it gently, just kind of go around just little by little so it would snap off from the frame. Once it comes off, just put it aside. Then we're going to be doing the same thing for the second phone, removing that motherboard. I'm going to do it off screen so we can go ahead and put on the new motherboard on. So let's put this aside and start with the second device. I'm done with the second device. I already removed the motherboard off screen, and we're just going to go ahead and put the other one back on this one. It's going to be this kind of a reverse step, just like how we removed it. We're going to put it back on, and make sure you want to snap all the ribbon cables. Before you put the motherboard, make sure all the cameras are connected securely so they are put together the right way. Here you go, everything is completed. As you see right here, the device is turning on. We replaced the motherboard on it. Everything is good to go. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel to support the channel more. Also check out my other videos in my playlist and tell me what you guys think. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.